Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Open your books, page number 4. Today our topic is heart. Heart is actually internal organ. The heart is a pump that is always working. It is made of strong muscle and is about the size of your fist. As it beats, it pumps blood to all the different parts of the body. Keep it in mind that heart is always working. It's a strong muscle. And what is the function of heart? It pumps blood to all the different parts of the body. In this way, our body receives the oxygen and nutrient it requires. Blood also carries away waste. The body receives oxygen, which is a gas, and nutrients which required. Blood also carries away waste. Come to the diagram. It's an inner structure of the heart. Now our heart is made up of 4 chambers. What are these chambers? 2 chambers are known as atrium and 2 chambers are known as ventricle. Look at this. It's a left atrium. It's a right atrium. These 2 are known as chamber. The upper chambers. It's a right ventricle. It's a left ventricle. These 2 are lower chamber. Also we call the bottom 2 chambers are called ventricles. Our heart is made up of 4 chambers. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Except this, there is an artery to lungs. It's a vein which comes from a head. It's artery to the body. It's a vein from lungs. Here is a vein which comes from head. Here is a vein which comes from lungs. It's a veins from body. Here there are veins which comes from body. These are valve which is present inside the heart or inner structure of the heart. It's also called the heart muscles. As you know that the heart is made up of strong muscles. The heart is made up of 4 chambers and the upper 2 are known as the right and left atrium. These receive the blood entering the heart. The bottom 2 chambers are the right and left ventricle. The upper 2 chambers are known as right and left atrium. The bottom 2 chambers are known as right and left ventricle, which pump blood out of the heart. It can pump blood out of the heart. Come to the next page, page number 5. Oxygen rich blood arrives at the left side of the heart and is pumped out to all the millions of cells in the body. The cells in our body need oxygen to stay alive. Oxygen is when rich blood arrives to the left side of the heart, it pumps out, means it comes out million of cells. These cells in our body need oxygen to stay alive. The returning blood, which is now in need of oxygen, comes back to the right hand side of the heart. Those blood which is returned or which comes back is now in need of oxygen and comes back to the right hand side of the heart, to the right side of the heart. It is sent off to the lungs to pick up oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Then it is sent to the lungs to pick up oxygen, to take up oxygen and get carbon dioxide, remove carbon dioxide. This movement of blood around our body is known as circulation. Now, when the oxygen enter and the carbon dioxide rid from lungs, this all movement is known as circulation. When the heart pumps the blood and the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange throughout the blood, so it's called circulation. The heart takes less than 60 seconds to pump blood to every cell in our body. How much time they can take? It's a 60 seconds. Again, I summarize the topic. Today we will study about the internal structure of heart. Heart is made up of 4 chambers. Heart is also made of strong muscles. The function of heart is to pump blood to all different parts of the body. The 4 chambers are right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. It can take 60 seconds to pump blood to every cell in our body. It's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.